If you're a finance whiz looking for hybrid work and great benefits, we have the perfect role for you. Join our team and make an impact from day one. Our company is a global leader in the design and manufacturing of precision CNC machines, with 700 plus employees across the US, Switzerland, and China. Backed by a well-established private equity firm, we're focused on long-term growth, innovation, and operational excellence. As a financial analyst, you'll be part of a lean, high-performance finance team, driving decisions and supporting strategic goals. You'll work on critical projects like weekly rolling cash flow forecasts, monthly and quarterly financial reporting, and market research for strategic planning. We offer a hybrid work schedule. Work 3 days in office and 2 days remote, once fully trained. We offer a competitive salary and bonus based on annual performance. We also offer an outstanding benefits package: medical, dental, vision, 401k match, 11 paid holidays, and a high quality of life environment. We are looking for someone to assist with cash flow and liquidity forecasts, develop financial reports for stakeholders, analyze and explain financial performance, support strategic planning with financial modeling, generate insightful ad hoc reports, and improve reporting and automate processes. Our ideal candidate will have at least 1 year of experience in corporate finance, investment banking, or public accounting. Strong Excel skills, Power BI preferred, and a degree in accounting or finance. A CPA or MBA is a huge plus. Join a global team making a real impact. Shape the future of manufacturing, enjoy a hybrid work model, and build your career with us. Apply today.